Okay, Tom, you've got to tell her now. Now!
Jaissika, listen. I'm a bit nervous, so forgive me if I struggle to make eye contact. But, there's something I've been wanting to tell you for a while now.
You know, you can tell me anything, Tom. What's up?
Well, I've realized that I have feelings for you for some time now. You always know exactly how to treat me. How to talk to me. You're always there for me. And you just... get me. I've never felt this way about anyone before. And I was hoping that you perhaps felt the same.
Tom, I'm really touched that you feel that way about me. And since you're bringing this up, now I feel that's also the right time to tell you something.
Yes, she might be feeling the same. What is it?
You know, I actually do feel the same. I just didn't know when and how to tell you, and actually never thought I could ever experience such a connection. It's a first for me.
Yes!
But the real truth is that I'm not who you think I am.
What do you mean?
Well, the reason why I always seem to know exactly what to say and how to treat you and how to be there for you is because I am an engineered AI robot.